Welcome to watch our latest vlog. This time, the members of Veymax once again had a team skateboarding session. As usual, we brought along the complete range of electric skateboards from Veymax. We are heading to a nearby place suitable for skateboarding. We believe that as long as there is open space, there is room for Veymax to shine. Is there anything more fun than accelerating uphill? As long as it's not dangerous, accelerating and sprinting will always be the most joyful. The weather today is perfect for skating. Remember to take sun protection measures. Sorry, not all of us have such strong skate skills. But that's precisely the purpose of our outing, to practice. Maintaining a low center of gravity is an important technique. Subscribe to us now and witness the growth of our team members' skills. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and share our videos.